Jake, I thought you said they were real.
I thought they were, man. They were real to me. Oh,
That looks real.
that's real. Oh. What's going on, everyone? It is a very early 6 a.m. out here in Ohio. I've been back for a handful of days now. Had a great time hanging out with the boys at Alex's bachelor party, Mr. Curly Badger. He's getting married this upcoming weekend, which is super exciting, and wish the best for him and Morgan. Can't wait to see their wedding and how beautiful it's all going to be. But right now, I've got Mr. Murphy Cohen coming out to meet me. We're going to be doing a little bit of fishing, of course. Got a little time this morning. We'll see what happens. Keep watching. Hopefully we get a few fish.
Good luck, little fellas. Enjoy your spawn. Oh, he's off. Broke me off. That was the coolest eat. Oh my, I wasn't recording. That was wicked. The green, on the green spawn. Dude, oh man. Dude, that was so cool. Oh my god. Did you see that bobber go down? It did a double take too. Like he hit it and then came back for it. That's a nice fish. Colored up. Ate the green spawn sack.
Jake's on, folks.
Ohio guys, there's a steelhead on the line. He's mad. Life is good. Dude, that was just like, honestly guys, I wish I was recording for that, because that was the coolest eat I've ever had on an egg fly. Murph saw it from way upstream. Indicator just double dipped and went like upstream.
Double dunker.
He's not like, he's not running super hard, but he's not letting me gain anything on him. Come on, buddy. That is a pretty colored up fish. Chartreuse spawn sacks right on
Right there.
the nose. Of course, when I come to Ohio, I can't bring a net. So we're going to do this nice and sketchy. Look at that fish, dude. Oh man.
Let's get in focus.
Really thick tail. Just super cool.
Gorgeous. Heck yes, dude. Get the eyeball up. Yep. Look at that.
All right, beautiful steelhead out here in Ohio with my boy Murph. Coolest indicator down I've ever seen. Back into the water.
Yes, dude. Let's go, buddy.
And that was right after Murph just broke off.
Yeah, so update. You'll probably see it on the GoPro because Jake's gonna, you know, do it to embarrass me, but
Yeah.
straight up, big silvery fish. I don't know, probably mid-20s. Choked the zonker, set the hook, broke it off like a fool.
Big
like
sad.
a fool. Big sad.
Let's catch another.
Let's do it.
Yup. Wait. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. That was sick.
And I wasn't filming.
I was.
Zonker. Zonked it.
I thought I had a bite on that.
That was silly. That was silly. Now we got one on the zonker and one on the little green sucker spawn. So maybe it'll heat up once we get a little bit of sunlight on this creek. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, good thing he's tired, because if he goes under that log, it's freaking hard.
Let's go.
Oh, you good?
Ah! I thought I was filming that, but I think I actually turned it off. Oh, it definitely got me tripping. It definitely got me tripping.
Steelhead. Pretty cool.
They're real. They're real. It's just saying they weren't real. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's gassed. That's a big fish. Holy. Oh no. Broke me off. Oh.